Welcome to my YouTube channel, CarCrafted 804. Are you planning to buy a car at an auction? You might have heard about dealer auctions and public auctions. But what's the real difference between the two? Break it down, step by step. Number 1. Access to the auction. Dealer auctions are private. Only licensed car dealers can enter and bid. The general public is not allowed. You need a dealer license to get in. On the other hand, public auctions are open to everyone. No license is required. Just bring your ID and cash, and you're in. Number 2. Types of vehicles. Dealer auctions usually offer better quality vehicles. These may come from trade-ins, lease returns, or fleet vehicles. They're often well maintained and in good condition. Public auctions, however, are more mixed. You might find some great deals, but also some risky, high mileage, or damaged cars. Number 3. Prices. Dealer auction prices are generally lower than retail. Dealers buy cheap, then sell for profit. At public auctions, prices can also be low, but due to competition, they might go higher than expected. Number 4. Risk factor. Dealer auctions are less risky. Dealers know what they're doing. They get vehicle history reports and inspection access. Public auctions are riskier for beginners. There's no test drive, no full inspection. You buy as is with no guarantees. Number 5. Fees and paperwork. At dealer auctions, paperwork is fast and simple because dealers do this every day. At public auctions, it can be confusing. There may be hidden fees and delays in processing. So, what's better? Dealer auctions are professional and low risk, but only for dealers. Public auctions are open for all but carry more risk. If you're going to a public auction, do your homework. Bring an expert, check the car carefully, and don't go over your budget. You might get lucky and drive away with a great deal.